pays the rats, and we can sit on the money and stay out of sight.
For now, we drink.
Cristo!
Some money in this. Messina owes me after last night. We lifted some water pumps from a farm in the valley. Stashed them in the pit. Supposed to be an easy job. Next day, a crew turned up and shot the place to hell.
You again! Kill this Vigiputana! Move! Move!
Grenade! Grenade! Reloading!
You again! Kill this Vigiputana!
Reloading!
Get him out!
I need to reload! I dodging a grenade! Amuni! Get him out of there!
Drive him out!
Reloading! Cover me!
He's coming up the hill! Kill him! Help! Kill them! I'm out! Keep them away from me! Get rid of them! If I die, it's your fault! Keep them away from me! Get rid of them! Kill them! Over here! Veda Mater, you thought you would be long gone. Hey, are you alright? What do you think? They could have killed me. Thank God. Let's get out of here.
Follow me, and stay close.
Is that the ransom note? How much were they asking?
5,000 lire.
Scum. I'm worth at least that. Treating me like an animal. Then they start cutting off my fingers and...
There's a way out over there. Let's go. Oh, you're right. We need to go, come on. Gennaro, look at me.
You again. The kid stays with me. Once I'm done with you, we're gone. Then I get paid.
I wouldn't count that gold just yet. Come on. Bravo.
You're out of your depth, boy. This is bigger than you and me.
It is. That was Don Torres' daughter you almost killed.
The boy is mine. Think there's honor in this? Doing Torrisi's dirty work.
What the fuck would you know?
Put down the knife. I get my bounty. You walk away with your life.
There's no deal you can make here! Laying hands on a woman. You're just a coward.
And you're just an errand boy.
Howdy! Finish the bastard!
Not fast enough. Go on.
I thought you were a dead man. Thank you.
Let's find you a horse. And get back.
Pezzo di merda. Okay, listen. Messina sometimes camps by the old castello this time of year. We start there. He'll know we're coming, so stay alert. And we don't come back without the boy, eh?
You put the rest of those bastards in the ground. Messina you bring back to me alive. Nobody touches my daughter. This he'll learn before his time is up.
Okay.
Hey.
Gennaro! Boy! What did those thugs do? You're hurt! You're hurt!
I'm all right, father. Cuts and bruises. What about Messina and his gang?
They won't be a problem anymore.
I trust you will handle matters from here, Bernardo. Come, come. Let's go inside.
I counted on you keeping Isabella and Gennaro safe.
It won't happen again.
But you risk your life to make amends. It showed bravery. In his family, loyalty is everything.
I don't know how you did it. This could have gone very differently.
Father Ciccone is not around, if you're here to confess.
It's not him I'm looking for. Isabella. Have you told anyone about what happened?
I haven't told a soul. Why?
Because your father has asked to see me. And I don't know what about.
If I've caused you any trouble, I'm sorry.
I'm not. I want to be with you.
I want that too.
I'll find a way. I should go.
Be careful, Enzo.
I will.
God be with you, Enzo. Were you looking for me? To confess, perhaps?
Oh, no. I was just saying a quick prayer. And I need to speak with Don Torrisi.
Ah, I was just with the Don upstairs, in his office.
Thank you, Father.
Hey, must be new around here. Nobody looks like you could have stayed hidden from me.
Please, I have work to do.
I don't bite. What's your name?
Angelica.
Like an angel. I'm Cesare. They treating you right? If not, you can come to me. I'm kind of important around here.
That's it. Keep stirring. Don't let it burn. Dishwashing.
Hey, I'm just being friendly.
What's
wrong with that?
here? Got lost
We
in the
all
way to
need
the
a
city.
friend,
How
right?
should I know?
If I don't finish my work.
Hey, don't worry about that. I'll look out for you.
Come in, Enzo.
I want to speak with you about my daughter. What you did for her, for our family took courage. Luca tells me this is not the first time you've shown instinct in the face of danger. Bravery is not common in this world, and so loyalty, honor, obedience. They set a man apart from the rest. What happened at the temple was an insult to Isabella and to our reputation. You took care of Messina, but this matter is not yet resolved. Will you help me bring it to a close?
Of course, Don Torrisi.
As you may know, Baron Fontanella has a sizable interest at the sulfur mines in Colesofo. Sadly, the Baron's relationship with his business partner, a man named Ludovici, has soured of late. The kidnapping that you foiled was planned by Ludovici. He contracted those brigands to take Gennaro as leverage to force Fontanella to sell his holdings. I was not inclined to intervene in this dispute, despite the Baron's petition. What happens in those mines or between third parties, that's not my concern. When Isabella became involved, however, it became our business. Now we must send a message to all around that Torrisi takes care of his family and his affairs. Will you do that, Enzo?
I will.
Good.
Let's go.
You're to meet with Tino's men. They're on a farm near Ludovici's villa, keeping an eye on things. They can be a little rough. But first, let's get you what you need to get the job done.
Stealing food, I'll tell your father not to take you out with him tomorrow. Didn't I tell you to watch the stove?
Amore mio, it was only a second. There was business to discuss.
Well, your business has burnt this pizzettino to the bottom of the pan.
So I'll make another. Just let me take Enzo to Valerio.
Well, hurry up.
Careful what you say around my wife. Anyway, you ready?
I am.
Confidence is good, but don't let it become arrogance. Oh, Valerio! Enzo here needs to see you about the pest problem.
I'll be in my workshop. Send him down.
Luca! No need to hold his hand. It's a big boy. Get back here.
This woman, she's lucky I love her.
Just through here. It's where I keep my tools. Not just a stable boy anymore, eh?
Something like that.
Well, if you're here for grown man's work, I have what you need. Take a look around. Choose what you like, and then come and see me. An old reliable, the revolver. In the right hands, it'll always do the job. Ah, a large bore pistol. That thing will tear through just about anything. Not as powerful as the bolt action, but the repeater fires faster. You've chosen then.
I have.
Good. I suggest you go fetch a car. You never know. These pests you're after could start shooting back.
The table's all ready for you, Signora.
Grazie, Constanzo. Ah, Enzo. Could you carry this crate for me?
Of course, signorina. If I can ask, what is this for?
Still life photography. But, Signor Favara, you look equipped for hunting. Is that how you plan to spend your day?
Your father was kind enough to give me an afternoon of leisure.
Please, just put it down there. So he doesn't know. We're safe.
We're safe.
And the gun.
That's nothing to worry about, Please, let's talk later. Was there anything else, signorina?
No. Grazie.
Anytime.
How'd it go with my uncle?
Wants me to look into something for him. I need to borrow a car.
You should go see Pasquale if you want to fix everything up.
What do you want?
Luca sent me.
Luca who?
Luca Trapani. From the vineyard.
Idiota! Get inside here.
So, what's going on?
Take a look for yourself.
Ludovici's not home. Looks like Spadaro loaned him a crew from the mine to watch his back.
Merda. Where's Tino?
Never you mind. He'll be back later. We don't do a thing until then.
Get comfortable. Could be a long wait.
Ludovici. He's here.
It's time then.
We're ready. Just give the word.
The Don has entrusted this story to the Caruso, so listen well, boy. Ludovici knows the devil follows close behind. He thinks Spadaro security will protect him. You will prove him wrong. Bring the worm alive to the ruins of the old castello.
Just me? Alone?
Make a mess of this, and any misguided fate the Don has in you will be lost. Ucapisti?
Don't be an idiot. Avoid the main gate.
No one will miss this.
What's this Ludovici guy do to have a place like this?
Shipping, land. I heard he even has a stake in the mine.
Our mine? That's how he knows Don Spadaro.
Right. He must have made a move against Fontanella for us to be here.
Huh? We can't leave that there.
What did this Ludovici do anyway? For Ruggiero to send this many men, must have crossed someone serious. Fuck their own guy's wife. Who knows? This guy? He hasn't got it in him.
No!
You seen inside of this place?
No, have you?
I came with Spadaro once. It's like a palace in there. Sculptures, paintings, everything in gold. Even has a flush in a toilet.
And here I am outside guarding the place, and I can barely afford to repair my shoes.
Here! I have him!
I've got him now. I'll get over there. Reloading!
I'll see where this Strunzo went.
Now I've got you.
Some blaze. Spadaro.
Is this about Fontanella? You want money? Take anything! Guards! Guards! Please!
Bastardo!
We know you're up there!
Time we left.
He's going to kill me! God, no!
I found you!
Minchia, where did he go?
Get away from me!
Stop!
He's trying to kill me!
Get back here! I'm out!
Gotta reload!
No more wait! Get him out of there!
I'll see where he went.
You're mine!
Keep him away from me!
Shit! You won't get through us!
What are you waiting for? Shoot him!
This goes easier if you don't run!
What are you waiting for? Shoot him!
This goes easier if you don't run!
I'll see where this Strunzo went.
Ah, there you are.
I'll get them out of there.
Clearing enemy position.
Help! He's going to kill me! God, no! What are you waiting for? Shoot him!
This goes easier if you don't run!
In my sights!
I'll see where he went.
This is your end! Help! He's going to... Oh, God, no!
Heavy bastard!
Throw him in the back and get in.
Anna Mazzari!
Get yourself together. Your work isn't done yet.
Oh, you didn't think to come help back there, huh?
Didn't want to leave a nice car like this unattended. Besides, you're still alive, so quit complaining. It's him in the back who has the real problems.
He's breathing. Just out cold.
Get him out of the car, then. Get a move on, Caruso.
Where am I carrying him?
Where do you think? To meet Tino.
And he couldn't come down here.
Enough complaining.
Caruso, didn't think you'd have the nerve. Put him down.
What's this?
Sit up and shut your mouth. Now it's time to prove yourself, Caruso. You know what must happen. If you think you can deliver it, you best show me now. Kill this rodent.
No! Don't do this!
Do it.
I don't want to die! Please, God! No!
Caro Enzo, I've thought about what you said, and my heart wants that too. But my head tells me you put too much faith in my father. But still I dream of ways things could be different. Closer, between us. Tell me, what do you dream about?
Come out here, will you? You're needed.
What's this about?
Come on. Let's go.
Where?
Doesn't matter. Let's go.
You're pulling me out of bed. You can tell me what's going on?
Just stop talking and listen, all right?
Luca. What is this?
No need to look so worried. We're all friends here. You walk through this door, then you listen and answer honestly.
Answer what?
You want to be part of this, yes? Of what we are?
Yes.
Then go inside.
Come forward. All of the men in this room are bound by blood. This is a family. And in this family, we follow a code of honor. It's a way of life. A brotherhood.
You're here because of your deeds and the assertions of those who stand at your side.
This life is one of secrecy. If you make a friend, meet a woman, they must not know about our thing.
It is binding. It is not forgiving. To betray one is to betray all. Do you wish to commit yourself, your life, to this family?
Yes. I do.
Then, before the eyes of all here present, join me. To become a man of honor, repeat these words. I swear my loyalty to this family.
I swear my loyalty to this family.
My flesh must burn like this saint if I do not keep my oath.
My flesh must burn like this saint if I do not keep my oath.
Welcome, Enzo.
Benvenuto, Enzo.
Benvenuto, Enzo.
Benvenuto.
Salute.
Salute.
Used to grin from ear to ear, like some imbecile. wasn't smiling when Tino pulled the Lupara. It was like he saw the devil himself.
Part of the family now, eh? You know, when we found you in that bar, you were skin and bones. Even then, I saw a fire in you. From now on, we've got to be even smarter. Our thing is your life now. You've done well, Enzo. I'm proud of you.
Grazie, Luca.
Could be a long night. When they did this for me, we went through 3 crates.
That is enough for me.
Come on, old man. We'll head into town.
When you have a wife, children, you will understand.
You think any woman would have him?
If he's lucky, he'll meet a girl who is deaf, dumb, and blind.
Forget about him. I think